Hey, welcome back, everyone. Tom from Park Avenue Trading, your chief dealer, keeping you sane in these insane markets. 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on May 28th, 2025, and the euro dollar coming off its highs. We got the Fed minutes coming out. I think it's a nothing burger, really. I don't think there's anything going to come out of that. But what the real point of the matter is, if we look at what's been happening, is that the dollar has been recovering on the futures exchange. You know, the DXY is really, the dollar index is actually starting to recover, which is what we said. You know, we talked about the euro dollar, falls when the US dollar recovers, and it's actually starting to recover, showing that the marketplace is kind of shifting gears. So we gave you a warning on yesterday's video that it needed to hold like 113, like 50, I think I said. I think I even said 48, something like that. I said like right there, it needed to hold that level. And so far, it didn't, and it's starting to drift through the critical price right here, 113.47, I believe that I had right there. It broke down through that. Now it's at the critical price of 113, the figure. It's all going to depend on dollar yen and how dollar yen reacts. Euro yen, the cross itself, has been doing kind of quite well. I mean, it's been holding up, and that's a little bit shocking to me. I'm going to be covering that cross in my next video. But right now, as it stands, I'm going to move this level up. It had to hold that level, but right now there's new resistance at 113.68. That's the price that it needs to come back up, bounce off of this, come back up to show some strength to get potentially up to that 114.30 level. Now, if we break the 30, then okay, it's showing good strength heading towards 115, the figure. But right now, it's just in a range again. We haven't broken significantly lower. But on the 4-hour chart, I'd be watching this point right there. If we break down, we're probably going to head to 112.50. So really, it's all eyes on the cross. And I'm watching that cross because I'm short at euro yen. I'm short at 58, and it doesn't look too good. I mean, there is the top at 163, say 95-ish. So I'm actually trying to play against that top to see if the euro dollar does dump down and dollar yen kind of stabilizes at the 144.85. So that's what I got going on in euro dollar right now. I don't have much to say other than the fact that we did pick the support point that it needed to hold. It broke down, and if you followed it, well, you're probably making 50, 60 pips right now, all depending on where you got in. So go over to watch my next videos that I'm going to have out on crosses and sterling dollar and dollar yen. So stay frosty, friends. And remember, always, 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 as a short-term trader, enjoy the party, but dance near the door. Cheers.